Hello, people of the tubes.
Hello and welcome to Game Squid. Yeah.
So that's why you make the plus, because plus is your recording sign. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, don't unrecord though. Okay, so apparently you shouldn't be updating DirectX while making a video, or else it'll restart your computer.
Or it'll
Anyways,
attempt to.
it turns out we had some pretty ineffective code earlier where we changed the color of objects, showed
Yeah.
them the health script, and
Yeah.
that's why we put this up there with the public renderer R and then it, declaring it in start, and then instead of get component render each time, it's just R in this case. Or if you go into bullets, it has the same thing with the where it just gets the health script, and then it's just health.r, and then that's just the renderer of that thing.
You know, now that I think about now that I think about it, that last video was actually just kind of pointless because we really didn't do anything except correct a few things.
As well, that correction was important. Anyways, go on.
Okay. So, we were working on making a private list.
Yes.
Ah.
Try turning it back into an array. Oh God.
I know, it's
Be-
horrible.
Be any more gross, please.
I'm gonna die soon.
Okay. No, I guess remove still doesn't exist. Okay, fine. Undo. Well, actually, maybe didn't realize it right away. Nah, it's probably not gonna exist. All right, so we had this as an
Wait.
array. Now we turn it into a list. Let's see how bad it
It
is.
worked, Florian.
Yes. Now what can you spot has changed?
This?
Yes, that's right. It's now called count. So, anyways, we're now using a list instead of an array, and then test the thing and see how it goes. Oh wait, no, actually that's still gonna be a problem because where it says s health in line 11.
Wait.
11.
As health on 11. Hmm.
It needs to say list health in that case, but yeah, that's. And then so far what we've done is we've made a. That's not the correct syntax. Yes, that is okay. Yeah, and we made it color the thing screen using this code. Therefore, everything that has the health script will be color green. Show it, damn it. The amazing greenness. Oh no, my
no.
personal Skype exposed.
Let's see. Cannot convert type unity object to system generic list health.
Sorry, okay, so that's that then, okay.
Wait, where's the other health located? Nowhere?
No, we're still there. We're still in the same script. Oh wait, no, am I wrong? Let's. Okay, fine. What line's it giving? Now you've confused me too.
Let's see. 11.
Okay, it's that then.
Right here.
Yes, well, let's see. How do we convert an array to a list? Maybe you should have Googled this as well. Okay, let's see.
How to convert an array to a list.
Indeed.
C
Oh, right. There's a toList command. Okay, that's interesting. Well, fair enough. Wait, no, that's
List
okay.
object list equals myArray.cast object parentheses dot to list parentheses semicolon.
Well, try that then.
Yeah, actually, here's a different one. It's a tad bit shorter.
Weird.
Okay.
Not sure if that'll work though.
Wait,
But let's find
where
out.
did I even put this?
Well, where it says HP, that's where. On the same line somewhere. No, 11. The line 11.
Let's see. Where does it sit? HP, like right here?
Maybe do it. Well, it's already Yeah, that's fine. No, it's just HP. It's already a list. HP is already a list. Psi. The whole thing is HP in this case.
Oh.
That's all you got here.
HP.
All right.
Goes my array to
Then what do you think goes into my? What do you think replaces my array?
unexpected symbol equals.
Yes, because you have two of them, obviously. Well, just think what replaces my array in this case. No, you're gonna copy paste the find objects of type, obviously. Oh well. Okay, maybe not obvious, but that's what we. No, the whole thing.
Oh.
Type of health, of course. Well, not as health though.
When you say copy and paste the whole thing, I'm going to copy and paste the whole thing.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, now it should work, and remove the last part, and object is gonna be health. No, not the last part of the important thing, but the last part of the pointless thing that's remaining from the old thing.
The to list.
No, that's the new thing. That's the thing that we needed.
This thing?
Oh my god, yes, this thing, okay. The whole thing.
Oh.
Everything past the semicolon.
There.
Alright, now instead of objects, it's health, I think.
I can spell correctly.
And what does it say? To list does not exist. Oh boy. Who would have expected?
Yay.
Yes, well, let's see what that website said that had this claim.
Let's see.
That this
If
will
added
work.
to array elements as a reference type, you can leave out the .cast object. Since C#, C#4 added interference or interface covariance, i.e., numeral sum class can be treated as numeral objects.
Well, that probably won't make a difference.
Make sure you're using system.link.
Well, there you go. That's it.
Using
Good thing you already know how to do that.
system.link.
It's like, yeah, that's it.
There, now it works.
Does it? It's still red.
Oh.
Oh, semicolon.
There!
Yes.
We did it.
Great. Did I even use that? Huh? That would have been interesting to have. Yes, I use it too. Okay, go.
Will this
Show how
make any
green.
difference?
No, hopefully it'll work as it did previously. Only that we can actually. Oh boy.
Unity engine.object does not contain a member to list, and the best extension method overload system.link.enumeral to list health. The system generic is health. Wait.
Yes, that's really odd. You'd think that would work. Well, let's look at it again. Seems like it will work.
Yay. Could be.
Well, try that casting thing that it said.
On the other website?
Yes.
Oh, here, I'm gonna go back to it then. There, now everybody knows my history.
Oh no.
Let's see. myarray.cast object.
Even though that's probably not it, but well, let's see.
Type of health dot wait. myarray dot okay, so which is myarray? This is myarray right here, so dot cast object. And what would this be? Health?
Well, I would assume health, but it's kind of odd that he uses object so much. Well, let's see. Is it working?
Maybe. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's green, as we said. Oh boy, look at that.
Look at that spread.
Hmm.
Look at that capsule clone count go up.
Alright, now let's get rid of that annoying green, but the point is that this script actually targeted all the other scripts and then colored them green, so that's great.
Mm.
And if they've been deleted already, it removes them from the list. Alright, now make him fly towards the player instead of turning green.
Now I can finally use my void follow. Yay.
If you want, but not really much of a point.
I want it.
Well, go on then.
Follow. Oh wait, that's actually a thing.
I don't know what it... No, that's actually just your own function, probably.
Oh.
Yes,
yeah.
you can call a function in itself.
Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Game object dot create primitive. No. Wait, what's the name of the cubes?
Well, it's simple. You have the health script. You basically say health script dot game object.
Health dot game object. Capital G?
No,
Okay. Dot what?
you look at me. You already know how to do these things. Now do them.
Get component? No. Maybe?
Hmm.
R.
Yes, actually, you do get component, I guess.
Get.
Suppose we could save the rigid body also as a component, but I don't usually do that, so it seems to be fine.
Oh, are we doing rigid body?
Yeah.
Get component? What's wrong? Why are you mad?
A lot is wrong, but you haven't even done anything yet.
Probably because yeah, finish that up. Parentheses. There we go. Dot. Get component. What now? I don't really know how to do this part. You haven't told me this.
Well, you could figure it out.
Let me just look through this list.
Well, what do we usually do with with the rigid body? Oh boy, I gave it away, didn't I?
Velocity.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, what is velocity now?
Velocity is it moving.
Yes. What velocity do you think you want to use?
A horizontal and vertical one.
Yes.
So do I make a new vector 3?
No. Actually, what you do in this case would be you'd use the object's position and then the target position, and you subtract those two vectors, and then you get the velocity that you want.
Wait, game object this time with a capital G?
No.
How come position is wrong?
Transform.
Oh, transform that position. That's correct. There.
But everything's still wrong, so don't worry.
Okay.
Literally nothing will work.
Minus. Wait.
But let's see if you can fix it by yourself. Now that you know what to do.
There. Wait, why am I minusing it from? Target? No. Bullet.
You can call it what you want. You're gonna have to define it, you know.
Yeah, I am, aren't I? Okay,
Yep.
Let's just define that right now then. Wait,
Well, actually, in this case, it'll just be transformed up position because this is the player script. So, but you're still gonna have to define the first game object, which you haven't done. And one time you used health not game object, and then the other time you just used game object. So, oh wait, never mind.
Okay, well, wait, should I define it in the void follow?
Possibly.
Okay.
What do you know about functions?
Well, you gotta make them.
That's right.
You gotta
Actually, no, you definitely put them in in the parentheses of follow in this case.
But I thought that was for arguments.
Yes, it's an argument.
Oh.
It's a function.
Oh. Game object. Ooh, what should I call this?
Up to you, probably target.
It's boring. It's fine.
Oh yes,
Call everything target.
indeed.
There. Wait, that's not how you spell target. There.
Oh yeah, certainly isn't.
There.
Well, everything's still wrong, of course.
Okay. Well,
What do you do with the target?
I know I don't need this.
That's right.
Okay. What do I do
Actually,
with the target?
well, you put it at the start of the line, for example, where you have health for some reason.
Pretty sure you told me to put that there, I think.
As well, you're gonna have to put that somewhere.
There. Target get component body velocity. So target transform position minus transform dot position.
That last transfer not position will be game object dot position. Oh wait, actually, is it?
No,
Well,
it wouldn't be,
probably.
because
It might be.
This script is it's only attached to my space cube.
Is it? It might be, but I'm not sure if you can access the transform straight from there. I guess you can. Okay, never mind. It's probably fine. But game object would also work, anyways. Now call that function that you made.
Let's see. Game object target. Wait, didn't I already call it?
No, you defined it.
Oh. Oh, is this defining it?
Yes, this is defining it.
Oh. Well, now to call it. Have I done that yet?
No. Look at the other function that you made. How does that one work?
Vector 3 direction. Game object here. Wait. Target. Is this a function that I made?
Yes, that is the other function that you made.
Okay, well, I made direction. Where did I even put direction, to be honest? Where did I throw direction?
Oh yes.
Oh, target.get component, virtual body dot velocity equals direction.
I wonder if you can find out where you call this function. No?
No,
Really?
sorry.
It's right there. When you press space, that's when you call it. You see? Where it says get input key space.
Oh,
Yes. Can you spot it now?
yes.
Really?
I think
Then
so.
click.
Input dot key code space.
Yes, no, the calling of the function. Can you spot that?
Calling of the function.
Oh my god, man.
Shoot.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the shoot function being called 3 times here, but which is why it shoots 3 times. Now call the follow function where you think it belongs. No. Oh boy.
You know, listen here. I'm not. You know, you're a professional at this.
As well, why don't you use your mind and think about it?
I am, but my mind isn't developed as much around code as yours is. You see, it must be really easy for you to understand this, but for me, my mind is new to this.
Well, yeah, but this is really simple, so you gotta figure it out anyways, so... I mean, it's probably not gonna help you if I just tell you what, is it?
No, that's what YouTube tutorials do.
Yes, well, go think about it then.
Let's see. To call the function.
Just think about where do you want it to... where would you put the follow code? No. We have... Just think what we did previously. What does the previous code mean?
Wait.
Like just now?
Oh, this code?
Yeah. Yes, that's the function. Good job. Now you need to call it. Well, fine. I'll just tell you and hope that you'll learn it. You'll obviously put it where you wrote that for loop because you want every one of them to follow. Therefore, it'll count for every one of them.
I wouldn't have thought about that.
Okay.
Okay, so do I put it in the if or in the else or just in it?
In the if because you want to replace the green coloring with it.
Okay.
You can comment out the green coloring for now. Right, now call your function.
Oh yeah. Target. Dot. Avatar target. What?
No.
Wait, why does it keep going up with avatar target?
Why would you think target is what you do? How do you call a function?
I don't know.
By its name.
Its name is target. Oh, follow.
That's
Whole
it.
voice function.
The void actually means that the function doesn't return anything. It
There.
just does something. Yes. Now how do you call a function?
Let's see. Follow equals.
No.
No. Ugh.
Look at the syntax of should being called.
Okay.
What do you see? Alright, now what arguments does follow have?
It has game object target.
That's right. Now how do you get the game object that you want?
Just for target.
No, that's the name of the variable that you're declaring by giving this argument. You won't be mentioning target here.
Just transform.
That will be the transform of the spaceship.
If I'm not mentioning target, if I'm not mentioning, would it just be follow dot transform?
No.
I'm lost.
Look, you're giving. Well, I guess. Okay, fine. The game object that's attached to the HP that you've found out. Well, that you've declared in the previous line.
Oh.
So that would be hp.gameObject.
Okay. There. That is red.
Can you spot the mistake? Yes.
No. That was
Go.
And now they should follow me?
No, now they'll just clip around madly. They'll probably disappear right away. Oh, actually, they didn't. That's impressive.
They didn't follow me, though. They kind of ran away from me.
I assumed it was much too much, but it was actually
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
slightly too much, but in the wrong direction. Who would have expected such a thing? Well, do you know how to reverse this?
Make this a plus.
No.
Darn it.
We could switch them around and that would work.
Game object.hp.
No, the target transform positions
Oh.
in follow. It's being called successfully now. You got that right now. Now this thing will be making it do the thing you want.
There.
Yes. Well, another way would have been to make a minus, but then you'd have to put the whole thing into parentheses. But now it should work, and they shall molest you
Gosh.
vigorously.
Please stop.
Look at them.
They love me.
Yes, this is what Space Invaders has become.
Oh gosh, this is terrifying. Get away from me.
Oh no, you can't see from behind.
They don't stop. Okay.
This
is kind of creepy,
maybe.
but I like it.
Oh well, subscribe for more of this.
Yeah, subscribe.
Oh look, they went into the
Third dimension. Wait, how is that even
surprisingly.
possible? I locked them out of that.
Yes, well, you must have overwritten it. by adding the velocity. I'm actually
Well,
surprised that works.
let's go and check on that.
That is odd.
That is odd. Let's see. Yeah, freeze position Z.
Oh yeah, it's definitely frozen. It's probably the way. Oh, I guess you could fix that.
What do you mean fix it?
Well, the vector that you're adding to it, it probably has a C variable which it shouldn't have.
It doesn't have a vector.
Oh yeah, it has a vector. Velocity is a vector.
Oh, velocity is a vector.
Is now declare that thing as a vector and then reduce the c-axis to 0.
Wait. Declaring.
Inside the function.
Okay, so.
No, not as an argument.
Oh, okay. Good. Wait, should I just write out all this?
No, you always copy things if you can, but the thing that the vector is going to be is the thing on the right side of the equals on the other line.
Oh.
So you can cut that part and then put it here.
So this?
Yes.
Thanks. What am I doing?
We're making a vector.
Currently, I copied a. I have no idea.
Interesting. How did you? You must have copied the empty line afterwards.
Oh.
The whole thing, not just everything past the equal. And your Steam community is being annoying.
Yay. There we go.
Yes, now put it into a new vector that you're declaring there. No.
Oh.
The equal always is on the same side.
New.
And
what? New. Wait. No. New vector.
doesn't need to be a new one. Actually can't be, in fact. Yes. Name.
No Z's.
Okay. Equals.
Oh, good. Like.
Yes. Syntax. Alright. Then put it in there.
Wait. What?
In velocity.
Oh. Velocity dot no Z's.
No. Equals.
Oh. Equals no Z's.
So you replace that with a variable now. Variable of a vector. And now you can change it to no Z's. You can. Well, this will work as it did. Now you can. Now that you've done it that way, now you can edit the vector in other ways, like reduce the C coordinate to 0, for example.
Okay.
So do it. No, a new line.
No Z's equals.
Almost. Well, no C's dot C equals 0.
No Z's dot Z
Yes.
equals
0.
0.
Just 0.
Oh. Now. Now that, sorry. Now they're
Now
locked.
hopefully they won't hump you out of position again. Or maybe. Wait, are you locked too? Actually, I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, I locked myself in this position. I think. These things are pushing me down.
Maybe it's the explosion that pushed you outside of the.
Actually, I think I'm locked on the Z-axis. Oh wait, no, I'm not.
Well, that makes sense.
Wait, so we didn't have to do any of that?
Probably not.
Should I just
But now that you're doing that, you might as well make it so that it doesn't immediately change its direction.
Oh. Wait, what do you mean by that?
By making it lerp from one vector to another.
Oh yay, more lerping.
Hooray.
Okay. Let's see. Should I just create an... Okay, first, gotta create a new line. Vector 3. Wait. Am I doing it, teacher?
It's actually vector 3.lerp, in fact. But I think you got that one right by random.
There.
Yes, now the two vectors that you want to lerp. No, well, that's... You'd want to use the actual name of that, which is no C's.
Equals no C's, oh great.
It's also... lerp is a function.
Dot lerp.
No. Lerp is a function, man. What do you do with a function?
Oh. You put parentheses.
Yes, what else don't you do with a function?
You put a bracket.
You don't equal it to anything.
Oh. Wait, oh, do I just put the nosies inside the parentheses?
That's right.
Okay.
And then it has another vector it also needs, and then a float. The float being 0.1, I guess.
Wait, what should the next vector be?
Actually, it should be the first vector should be... Well, actually, you find out. The second one's definitely no Z's, though.
Okay. Nosies.
And the float is the last argument, which is 0.1. Now go and find... Yes.
Oh, wait. Well, that's not
F.
yet. F.
Alright, now find how lerping worked previously and then do it like that.
Previously on Avatar. Okay, so here's our other lerp that we did. R.material.
Yes. What does it do?
It changes it from red to white.
Yes. And how?
By lerping. Every time it gets hit, it activates this script.
No, actually the script activates always.
Oh.
This is... It gradually turns the red into white. You see?
Yes.
Now how do you do it with velocity?
Gotta be honest, I have no idea. How great people.
That is people. Well, that's not gonna mute you from the thing. You're doing a video right now.
Oh yeah, true. Well.
Yes, well, what do you think?
Okay.
What vector you want to gradually change?
Let's see. Transform dot position.
No.
Target dot transform dot position.
Oh boy, it's velocity, obviously.
Obviously.
Didn't I just tell you earlier that we're going to make the velocity change slowly and instead of immediately?
Oh, yeah, you didn't. I'm sorry.
Hmm.
Wait, so should I just put get component dot velocity? Cause
Yes, I guess you would.
get component
Well, target, but yes.
body. Oh, should I put the target?
Yes, you should put the target.
There.
Well, yeah,
Capital.
that actually seems to be working.
But now this target apparently isn't.
Yes. Well, that's just the basic syntax error.
Oh, that's because of this.
Yes.
There. Wait. Oh, no, that's not working. Gotta turn that. There we go.
There you go.
That's
Yes,
good.
now let's see how that is unoptimized and how you can fix it. Oh, never mind. 4? Really? 4? That's odd. Color lerp only took 3. Alright, let me just look that up
To
then.
the fourth dimension. An object reference is required to access non-static member unity engine.rigidbody.velocity.
What?
And that's on line 50.
Oh yeah, that's the... I was looking at lerp. Alright. Oh boy. Well, you made a comma instead of a dot, that's all.
Oh. Wait, but no.
Actually, no, yeah, no, those are the other things, the other syntax. Just don't know why I didn't just copy the velocity from the later line, but okay. Yes,
No.
there.
Well, that's still only 3.
Yes, well, 3 is actually fine. You accidentally made it 4 by inserting a random comma.
Uh-oh.
Yes, well, you probably can't see it, but it should be slightly less instantly changing.
Oh, yeah, I can tell.
Good. Now make it more optimized by not getting the component rigid body all the time, I guess.
Okay, so finally we're gonna make another variable for. We're gonna make a variable for rigid body.
I guess so.
Let's do it. Okay. Should it be private or public?
Private.
Private.
Oh wait, no. Oh, it's actually in the health, and therefore it'll be public.
Okay. Public.
Yes.
Rigid body. What should we call this?
I don't know. Rig. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I like that. Rig.
Yeah.
There.
Yes, now define it as well.
In void start.
Indeed.
Rig equals get component rigid body.
Yes, you did that faster than I expected. Very good.
There.
Now use it instead of rigid body and the other code.
Well, let's see. I just want to remember. Okay.
Oh boy, unfortunately I didn't think that far ahead, so now we're going to have to change where it says game object target to the health script.
Game object target. Oh,
this? In the arguments.
Oh.
Yes, in fact we're gonna change it so that it now gives the health script instead of the game object of it.
So like, no.
No game object. Health is.
Health like that.
Yes, non-capital.
There. And now I gotta change all the names.
Yes, indeed.
Health.
That's health game object, but yes.
Oh.
Well.
Right. Oh, should I keep that as? Wait.
Health.game object.
Health.game. Oh. Health.game object. There we go.
Okay, now change the code. The where you call the function. That's it.
Okay.
It's line 21.
Wait, line 21. Oh, this one.
Yes. How do you change it?
Health.
No, that's once again that's the name. That's the name is only inside the function. Now you're still outside the function.
Oh, in here.
No, it's the right place. It's just not called health in that case.
Wait, what should I call it then?
It's just HP. Well, you already called it HP. It's just that you're giving this now something else, not a game object, but a health script.
So just call it HP.
Yes, that's fine. Okay, now.
Now we're back to fixing all this more.
Yes, that's right. But this one's simple now.
.rig. Wait, that didn't work.
Actually, it's not game object. It's just health.rig because it's rig is a variable of the script. There.
Ta-da! And we can do the same here.
Optimized.
Health.rig.
Great.
Yeah.
Now let's see it. Let's see it be exactly as it was, just slightly better optimized. Nope, apparently not.
Oh, a lot of errors actually. All on 50.
Oh, did you accidentally define rig in bullets instead of health?
I defined it in health. Type health does not contain a definition for rig.
Well, this begs to differ, doesn't it? Maybe you didn't save the one.
Maybe I didn't.
No, you saved it, alright. Weird. No, that's weird. That's very odd. Go back to where it has the line. The error.
The best overloaded match for Unity Engine.Vector3.lerp Unity.
Oh, it was just being a bitch, okay.
Coding!
That's very odd. It's almost as if you didn't save. But I'm sure you saved, right?
Nah, probably not.
Well, there you go. Same result, slightly more optimized. Now you have evil blocks that chase you down. Actually, make him chase you down, and in a way that they don't change their velocity so quickly. Even slower, much slower, in fact.
Doesn't this video need to come to an end some point?
Yes, this is the last thing.
Okay. Be a 5-hour-long video. Okay.
No, it's probably just an hour.
Okay, so what am I doing?
You're gonna make it change less rapidly.
Okay. Oh, that would just be with this.
Yes. I think 0.1 is fine.
It's tiny.
I don't know, but it changed so fast that it's at 0.1 and now it's 10 times smaller. It might be better. I mean, you don't need to shoot them to see if the explosion actually changes them. I can't tell if it does. I guess it changed them slightly.
Bonk. There we go.
You'd think it'd be less.
Someday we're gonna get a better background.
Oh wait, I think we've made a horrible mistake. Yes, of course. Go back to the code. Yes, stop trolling around.
That was the second I lost everything. Yeah. We just get back to the scene here. Okay, back to code.
Oh, I know. You didn't even link this lerp. You'd put that lerp in instead of this nos, just no C's.
Noses. Wait, then what should I put here?
Not you put that lerp there.
Oh. Vector 3.
Copy paste the whole thing, man.
Literally like this whole.
Yes, cut it out actually. Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Yes, what we did was just make a lerp but then forget the value. Go, do it. And now instead we save the value to velocity.
Let's check it.
Yes, only that now the things will be extremely slow. Or maybe not. Maybe it's just fine. Shoot them so they explode.
Pew.
Yeah, see, that's much better. Now they have physics. Yeah. Alright, so your homework will be to make it so that the spaceship also lerps its velocity.
Oh, so it can slow down and speed up gradually?
That's right. Alright, subscribe for more. Goodbye.
Goodbye.